Teacher, ikaw yan. Teacher. Teacher, ikaw yan. Teacher, ikaw yan. Shh. Teacher. Sino kasi Miss Mitchin? Miss Minchin. Uy, nalaglag na kay Way Ilong. Miss Minchin. Miss Minchin. Teacher, ikaw yan. Teacher, ikaw yan. Ang cute niya. Teacher, ikaw yan. Miss Minchin. Bah. Miss Minchin. Shh. Uy. Teacher. Teacher. Ikaw yan. Teacher. Teacher. Gusto mo suotin yan, teacher, ah.
Ano?